Crypto 2024, shaping a new narrative. As we peer into the horizon of 2024, the cryptocurrency landscape promises to unfold a narrative of innovation, maturation, and broader acceptance. Here are some predictions that might shape the crypto narrative in the coming year. Mainstream adoption accelerates. Cryptocurrency adoption will reach new heights, with an increasing number of traditional financial institutions, businesses, and individuals embracing digital assets for everyday transactions. DeFi evolution consciousness. Decentralizing DeFi will evolve further, offering a more mature and user-friendly experience. The sector will witness increased security measures, regulatory clarity, and diverse financial products. NFTs beyond art. Non-fungible tokens NFTs will extend beyond the art world, finding applications in various industries such as real estate, gaming, and intellectual property, fostering new ways of ownership and monetization. Layer-to-scaling solution shriv. Layer-to-scaling solutions will gain prominence, addressing scalability challenges on Layer 1 blockchains. Ethereum's transition to Ethereum 2.0 and the rise of alternative Layer 1 solutions will contribute to a more scalable and efficient ecosystem. Government-backed digital currencies merge. More countries will explore and possibly launch their own central bank digital currencies (CBDCs), contributing to a more nuanced and regulated global crypto landscape. Increased focus on sustainability. The industry will place a heightened emphasis on sustainability, with blockchain projects incorporating eco-friendly practices and green technologies to address environmental concerns. Enhanced user security. Improved user security measures, including advancements in wallet technology and authentication methods, will enhance the overall safety and trustworthiness of participating in the crypto space. Integration with traditional funds. Increased integration between traditional financial markets and the crypto space will be facilitated by the development of more comprehensive regulatory frameworks, fostering a collaborative ecosystem. While these predictions are speculative, they reflect the ongoing trends and developments that could define the crypto narrative in 2024. The crypto space remains dynamic, and these projections are subject to the continuous evolution of technology, regulation, and market dynamics